Okay, so I got a new loose wig. This one is a little bit chunkier highlights in it. This is a lace front, and it's got the closed wefted cap on the inside. And I'm just gonna do a quick video to show how I cut the lace. There's nothing special to it, no tricks. I usually hold it. I don't usually do it while I'm wearing it. I'll cut this while I'm holding it, and then if there's anything that I don't like, or if there's something that's not straight enough, then I will put it on and I'll trim it while I'm wearing it. So all I do is I just hold back. I hold the lace with 2 fingers and I pull the hair back, and I just start on one end, and then I just start to trim. When I'm on the tabs, the ear tabs, I do get pretty close. But when I get up around the top of it and around the front, I leave a fair amount of space between the front of the knots, like the front knots, and the end of where the lace will be. I just find that over time, I generally will start to see it curl a little bit and stuff, but I mean, after quite a bit of use and wear. But if I leave a little bit on there, I can put a little bit of makeup on it, and it also, like I said, gives me an opportunity to trim it later once it starts to curl up a little bit. So just on the outside of it, outside of the knots. Some people like to, I've seen, will do, use like, I think they're called pinking shears that are like a zigzag, and they say that that'll help the lace from tearing and different things. I've always just cut mine straight, and I've never had any problems with it. And I've been wearing lace front wigs for a very long time. Lace top are relatively new. I did a lot of silk tops, but they still had the lace front. So, and these have these little baby hairs that are kind of fly away in the front. And if I catch a couple, I'm okay with that. I mean, there's obviously a lot. If I happen to snag one, it's not gonna hurt anything. You're never gonna know that once it comes time to actually put the wig on. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Obviously this is, you can just discard. And then, like I said, you'll see, I'm not sure how well you can see it, but where the hairs end and how much lace I have left on there. And again, I mean, you can see it's not perfectly straight. There is, you know, some pieces that are maybe like a little bit out further than the others. But again, once it lays on your forehead, you really can't see any of that. But I will then put this on and trim it up a little bit more once it's actually on my forehead. So that's all there is to it.